Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I created this video to announce the release of my newest Gumroad tutorial on shading. This is in response to a survey I did a couple weeks ago inquiring what subject matter you guys would like me to cover the most, and shading came at the top of the list, so hopefully this is me delivering, and you will be able to learn from my personal approach and insights on the subject, going over rendering and lighting and shading in black and white. I start off this tutorial with rendering three basic primitives: a sphere, a cone, and a cube. I feel this is one of the best approaches for learning the basic anatomy of lighting and the basic principles. We go over core shadows, directional light, halftones, dark accents, occlusion shadows, highlights, halftones, cast shadows, the penumbra effect, all of those things. And I do my best to streamline that information so it's hopefully easier to digest. After we finish going over the primitives and going over the basics of lighting, we then dive into a more complex form, that of a portrait bust, as you see here. And again, we'll show how we apply those basic principles on this more complex form. And I will again label all the different parts of the lighting so you guys understand the process and what's what and why we're doing what we're doing. I did my best to respond to feedback, and I didn't include any music. I actually filmed everything and did the narration at the same time, so the commentary is live. I didn't slow or speed up any of the footage, so you guys can see my process in real time and hear my thoughts as I'm drawing. I do feel like it's a good approach. Hopefully, it makes you feel like you're following me as I'm drawing, as if I was there in a classroom with you. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, check it out. The link is below. And again, thanks for all the great feedback, for all your support and all your comments and likes. It always means a lot, and I will be working on the next tutorial and doing my best to continue to create more content here on YouTube, and until the next video. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.